Imagine the power of an elephant combined with the force of a tornado, presenting the tornado elephant. This awe-inspiring creature merges the elephant's unparalleled strength and the tornado's unstoppable swirl, creating a spectacle both wild and magnificent. With tusks as dynamic as stormy whirlwinds and feet stomping like thunder, it symbolizes an unstoppable force of nature. Moving gracefully yet powerfully, the tornado elephant mesmerizes with every step, captivating with its fluid yet colossal presence. AI power brought this phenomenal hybrid to life, challenging your imagination and inspiring endless creativity. What other elemental combinations can excite your imagination?